If you're watching this video, you are here to learn about Shasta warranties. We will be discussing the types of warranties that Shasta has to offer, also the cost, and some of the coverages that the warranties provide. Hi, my name is Tory Woodard. I am the Shasta Warranty Manager. I have been with Shasta for about 21 years. So whenever you buy a new pool with Shasta, your new pool warranty comes with a 5-year warranty, which would cover the in-floor cleaning system. It would cover the above ground equipment, and it also covers your Shasta deck. What our Shasta deck is the concrete that is coated over with our Shasta deck product. Shasta also offers a 3-year extended warranty program after your new pool's 5-year extended warranty has expired. This will give you an additional 3 years of coverage on your pool. You also have the option to add on additional equipment if you have a heater, if you have a salt unit, or if you have additional filter. Those are some options that you can add on also to your policy. The extended warranty protection plan is a good fit for a Shasta customer whose pool has just come out of the 5-year warranty, or a customer that does not have any type of warranty and is interested in the extended warranty. Another good fit for the extended warranty protection plan would be homeowners that are purchasing a home that has a Shasta pool. Could be a second homeowner or third homeowner. It still would require a site inspection. After the site inspection, we would make a determination and then send you out an offer letter. You may be a bad fit for the 3-year extended warranty program if your pool was built by another company, a non-Shasta pool. Right now at this time, we might not be able to service your pool in a timely manner due to us not being able to have enough technicians to come out. Moving forward, hopefully this is something that will change, and then we'd be able to offer the program to those type of customers. So another not good fit for the extended warranty program would be if you failed the site inspection. We can't cover any equipment that's damaged, leaking, calcified. All equipment needs to be in working order for you to qualify for the extended warranty. You may be a bad fit if you're looking for the cheapest extended warranty. An example of that would be a homeowner's insurance warranty that covers your pool. Again, Shasta is an in-house program. Yes, we're going to be a little bit more expensive. We do cover quite a few more things than the homeowner's insurance. But again, you are going to get a Shasta technician. We don't sub out anything. We know your pool. We built your pool. When your new pool warranty expires, we do offer you the 3-year extended warranty to extend your warranty for another 3 years. That warranty is mailed out to all new pool owners approximately 90 days before your 5-year warranty will expire. So you might be asking, why should I buy the extended warranty? It will save you hundreds of dollars on pool equipment, service fees, and also labor. What is the cost of the warranty? With the new pool 5-year warranty, that cost is included in your package. With the extended warranty, that price can range from $900 to $1,500. And that pricing is based on if you want to add on any additional equipment. If you have any questions about the extended warranty, or if it's something I might have missed or wasn't very clear on, there are a couple ways for you to reach out to us to get the information. You can go on our website and fill out the form that will come directly to the extended warranty department, or you can also call us and we would be able to discuss and go over all the warranty details with you. Once again, my name is Tory Woodard, Warranty Manager at Shasta Pools. For any warranties, questions that you might have, please feel free to reach out to me. I look forward to your phone call or email.